Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I thought since 2023 is fast approaching, we need to get our shit in order. Basically, we need to elevate our client experience and our professionalism needs to knock it up a notch. So what I'm going to do is I bought a brand new lash cart, you guys. It's so cute, it's so functional, it's so just gives you that little bit of professionalism that you need, because let's be honest, the lash cart that we do use, the one that we all use, you know that you'll start off kind of organized by the beginning of the day, and then by the end of the day it just is not what it needs to be. So I am excited to bring you this video. I found it from a girl on TikTok. If I can remember her name, I'll put her in the description as well, and I'll also leave the link down below. You know I got it from Amazon, like I get a lot of stuff, but to be honest with you, this cart is giving a little bit of IKEA. So if your man is available, have him do it. Trust me, you won't regret it. So let's get started. I'm so happy to see you guys. I know it's been a minute. Mwah. Alrighty, so this is her. I got her all organized. And so I was thinking about some of the things I have on this cart that maybe you didn't think that you need, but you need. So we're gonna get to that last, but let's go through the cart. First thing I wanna say is look at this part right here. These little things right here slide in and out. But as you see, let me see if I can take this off. It's broken. So I did notice when I got it, these two little poles were very sensitive. So this part came out of it. Like it literally just snapped off. It's very fragile. So I got my super glue and I will glue it back on. So I'll recommend to you guys to just go ahead and get some super glue, because these most likely are going to come off, because on the other side they screw in. So yeah. So nothing a little super glue can't fix. They're just kind of poorly made on that part. But the cart overall is very sturdy. So right here you see I put my foam roll, my micro foam roll. I started back using micro foam roll, which I really love. And it just helps my process to be smoother. And I remember I used to use it when I first started out, but I wasn't like crazy about it. I think it's because I didn't know how to put it on, but now that I do, I definitely use it. I love it so much. Also, let me turn the cart around real quick, and it has wheels, you guys, so that is a plus with a lock on it. So I thought this part right here, like you would be able to sit stuff in it, but what I think I'm gonna do is I have a piece of that thick foam it's like a cardboard. It's like a foam cardboard. I'm gonna like put a piece under here, and I'm gonna put some drill some holes in it, put some screws in it, so that way it could support it, so that way I could put stuff in here. I thought I would be able to put some inserts in there, but I'm gonna fix it and make it handy so that way I can do that and have some more space on the front of the cart. So once I update it, I'll post a picture in my community tab so you guys can see how that looks. And then down here, if you wanted to store anything else that was tall, you could. I don't know what you would put there, but you could put something there. Alrighty, so right here in the cart, this is my favorite thing right here right now, you guys. So I just got this new tape dispenser, which I love. It's supposed to hold only 5. It could hold 6, but it would be a tight space. So I typically don't even use tape like that anymore since I'm using the microphone. But on some clients, on occasion, whose eyes are a little bit smaller, I do like to use tape still. And the same goes for patches. So right here I have my rings, and I have some spoolies and some micro swab tips, which I feel like putting this cart together helped me realize some of the stuff that I was running out of quicker. And right here I have some glues that I use, the BOTTOMLASH glue, and I have my other glue stored away in a little case, but these were the ones that I used to do. So I have some sensitive glue and some BOTTOMLASH glue and some remover. So I cleaned my tools, so I just put them back, but this is like half of the tweezers that I have. So I have them right here, And I have like an insert that I want to put them in, so when I do, I'll put them in here so that way they could be covered up a little bit more. But until then, I have them in here. So on any given day, I pretty much use a lot of tweezers. So I just put a lot of them in here, and then I will put the dirty ones that need to be cleaned in here so I don't get them mixed up. I have my fan, my water bottle, the microfoam tape that I'm currently using, and of course hand sanitizer. You need it. All right, so let me show you real quick these drawers, because they actually are not really big, if that makes sense. So they're kind of short. Let me see. So yeah, they're kind of short, but they do pack a lot of lash trays. So in this drawer, I have the majority of what I have is my stock over here from my vendor, but I haven't been able to get in contact with my vendor right now. They're on vacation, so I do have some Vava Lash in here. And in this second drawer, I have some more Vava Lash and some the Hair Vault as well. I love her brand. She's pretty expensive, but definitely get it because it's Black owned. And here I have the trays that I used today. You see I have like loose lashes all over the tray. So I put the trays in here and I put the strips in there. So I'm gonna go in the morning before my clients and clean the excess ones off. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, but I like to keep them in there to keep it sanitary. And I also have stock where I have other tiles, lash tiles, and photo cases that I use to put the lash trays in. And I'll link a lot of this stuff in my bio just in case you guys like want to get some of this stuff. So in this lash drawer, I have some extra stock, like my sponges, my training sponges that I use for when I'm training my students and or I'm just practicing. Some extra patches, some tapes. I wanted to put these tapes on the little roll on this side over here, but I thought that they'll probably get dust and stuff all over them, so I don't think it would be that sanitary to do that. And over here I have cases where I have more tweezers. So I have 2 cases right here that are stuffed full of tweezers, and those are the cases that I use as well when I travel. Well, when I used to travel on a plane, I would put my tweezers in there. And so down here, I have some of the bibs that I line my lash chair with. I have a few left of these hairnets, and you guys, you really need to get some hairnets for your clients, because some of our clients have like greasy or oily hair from their hairstyles, or their skin is greasy and it will get all over your hands, which then transfers to the lashes whenever you are doing hand making fans. So it's very just smart to use those, and also to just basically have some other things on standby. So I also have some more masks in there just in case anybody forgot theirs. And then this is where I have the rest of the photo cases that I have. I have a whole bunch of these like at my house, but I have some photo cases here that I like to keep for different brands that I have, and I'll put the same brand on there. So I kind of like to categorize it that way. All right, so here are the things that you need in your lash cart, just in case you didn't know. So let me get set up so I can show it to you. All right, you guys, so this is basically just a hygiene kit, like all your feminine needs, like the things that you don't think that you need, or you or your clients. So a lot of this stuff is for both of y'all, but I feel like a lot of this stuff in here you need just because you need to be mindful, because we're so close and personal with our clients. So this is a cute little bag that you need to have. Even if you don't have it at your cart, you need to have it somewhere in your studio or your stock or whatever. Like, you need it, like there's no excuse. So first thing we have is some wet ones, just because obviously you need it, like antibacterial hand wipes. And you need some scope for some mouthwash, just in case, you know, you're eating and whatnot. And also a toothbrush and toothpaste for yourself. This is a really good move, just in case you have something for lunch that is a little offensive. This is really good for that. some deodorant, because obviously like you don't want to be behind your client smelling terrible or whatever. And sometimes, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I'm not even gonna hold y'all, I forget to put deodorant on sometimes when I'm rushing out in the morning, especially on Saturdays when I start at 7 a.m. So this has been a lifesaver. So I have some makeup wipes in here and also some cleanser. So this is great for when your clients know they don't need to be wearing makeup, but they somehow do, or they're coming after work and they want to take their makeup off. I give them some makeup wipes and I give them some cleanser and send them to the bathroom and let them clean their face. So that way it just ensures that the lashes stay better. So it's better to have that precaution than to just allow it and roll with it and just do their lashes with their makeup on. So don't be lazy, you guys. Don't be lazy at all. So I can't tell you how many times like I've needed, or my clients have needed, like feminine hygiene products. So we have some tampons in here, and I also have some pads in here as well. So yeah, you guys, I went to the Target, of course. Target is amazing, and I just ransacked that little travel size section. It has everything you need. I normally have gum in here. I ran out, but I normally keep some gum on hand as well for myself and my clients. And I also have mints on my little snack bar. So you guys, this is what you really need. If you didn't think that you needed it, like, this is the main thing I feel like you need on your Lash Cart. And it's just a really good representation of you as a business owner, that you go the extra mile in that way. So definitely get this. All right, you guys, that was pretty much it. I love this cart so much. I find that I save so much more space. It looks classy, and I'm able to tidy it up quicker because there's not so much space like the other one. I always felt like I would have to organize it after every client, or just at the beginning of the day. I really do a deep organize on it, and by the end of the day, like, it's just messed up. But with this one, like, there's nowhere to put anything all over. You just have the spot for everything. So I really recommend it. I believe it was about $79 or $75 on Amazon. It's so worth it. Like I said, just be mindful of these things right here. Just go ahead and get super glue, you guys, because these will definitely come off. I'm here to tell you that today they will, but it's just a little small thing that can be fixed. And on the other side, this is where it screws in. So that's the screw for the back side. So yeah, you guys, I love it. I think it was the perfect upgrade. So as you guys know, if you don't know, but I've been updating my studio, and it's kind of quite taken me a year because I've just gotten backed up with clients and taking time off and just kind of working on things. So I am making a whole lot of updates to my studio. So maybe I will take you along for that, and we'll do a tour at the end. But to get started off in 2023, just go ahead and upgrade you a new cart, girl. And I will put links to everything in the description as much as I can. And I will also put the link for inserts for these, because I think these are very helpful in staying organized. So the more you can be organized, the better. So that's what we're doing next year, you guys. We are getting organized. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to download my free worksheets that I have for you to help you with your money goals and all. And I will be having a new 2023 game plan worksheet ready for you to go. Just click the link down below and download it for the free $99. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.